So I'm going to read you yesterday. Yesterday, you were mine. It all seems so real. It's hard to disguise my feelings to believe the past behind us as the present unfolds. But it was yesterday because it is now today. And today I looked around and you were nowhere to be found. You did not invite me into your tomorrow. I guess it was so good between us yesterday. Yesterday, I placed in my mind as time unwind. I guess it was just yesterday. Now it is out of the way. It was simply yesterday. Yesterday, your face erased all the pain bore as we embraced each other yesterday. The tears rolled down my face to demonstrate yesterday. It was simply another day. A day that I was in another place. It was yesterday. Now it is gone. And no doubt it is far along. It was yesterday. Simply yesterday. I cannot clasp onto my present. It's just too much to bear them. It was just yesterday when we said, hey. It was simply yesterday. Now, it is another day. And you did not invite me into your tomorrow to see things anew as love continues. Yesterday. But it was just yesterday. The past is gone. And I cannot hold on. The present is just floating along. But I cannot catch yesterday. It is now another day. Tomorrow is coming. And I cannot grip onto today. But it was just yesterday. I am not ready. I said I'm not ready for today. But it is here simply for a day. Yet,